We're gonna make slime. We'll make it slime. See, look.
Ooh.
Can I mix up my hair? That's what she does, and she's the expert.
I don't know. Let's look at the directions.
Okay, continue.
Okay. Once you've mixed everything together, check out the blob of slime. It's completely safe to touch, so pull the blob out of the cup. Enjoy.
Yay!
All right, so pull the blob out and let's see what we got.
It's not sticky. That's not how to put it out this. Oh. Ooh.
Oh, wow.
Don't get out of it. Come out. Don't be afraid. I'm not.
So this is the translucent
Ooh.
slime.
Ooh. It is so. Oh. Here comes the stickiness. Oh, it's really
I wonder
sticky.
if you needed to maybe
Oh.
I wonder if you needed to stir it some more. Okay, we can put it back in there and stir it if you want.
Yeah. This is kind of purple. It's supposed to be red. Well, it's supposed to have here. Right here. And then I thought it was purple. Auntie told me it's red. It's not even red. Then I turned to pink. And then adding this slime activator. It turns it to like a purplish pink. And for all the ladies out there. I know how you guys like your pinks and your purples. So. And I also put gold glitter glue. So it's going to be like a pink rose gold color. Alright, this is not going well. Straight off the bat.
What's wrong? Wait, it's gotta still remember it said up to 5 minutes and vigorously. Could have set an alarm like I did last time, but it's all good. All right, so we poured out some of the water, and now we're gonna see if we can recover this second batch. When we added when we added color to this batch, something happened, and it did not turn out well. I think I know what I did wrong though, to make it different from this one. You had to add water to make the color, and then I added more water.
I'm filming it.
Okay.
I've been eating too long.
Okay. Well.
Cameraman, Dwayne.
Oh, yeah.
I
think we gotta call this one.
What? So this will be our last video for the slime. This is our last patch that we're gonna be using. They got potatoes.
So we added some glow in the dark.
We added the whole packet of glow in the dark, the whole packet of the activator, and we're gonna add some of this.
Oh, what color is that?
Gold.
Gold.
Glitter.
Gold
Extra
glitter.
fine.
Okay.
And then
we're gonna make it.
We might add some pink just to make a little extra spot.
Okay, we'll see. And then he found a recipe. Dwayne found a recipe which makes it
fluffy slime. That's my favorite type of slime. Number one. But pretty much I like
you got a little
it.
ketchup on yourself, by the way. So you use shaving foam to make it fluffy, and we're using Mary Kay Mint's shaving foam because
it's the best type out there.
Yeah. Okay. So you gotta stir vigorously.
This video has to be the longest. I can see the video in your glasses. This video has to be the longest video because it's the last video we're making for a while.
Okay. Is it getting slimy?
I don't know. But you know what? I feel like I like this slime better.
And why do you like that slime better?
It's stretchy. Hold on.
It's more slimy.
Yeah, it's more slimy. It's stretchy, and it's my favorite color, blue. And then this one, it's hard.
Yeah, it's hard.
That's stretchy.
Yeah.
This. And it's
Right.
the second favorite color.
Would you recommend that people get this slime kit?
Yes, just don't make the slime wrong.
Yes, follow the directions.
Yeah, and don't try to make fluffy slime.
Yeah.
Because the green slime's supposed to be fluffy. It's not. We tried our this.
Yeah.
And I know what I added to this because I feel like it's gonna be.
Yeah. Well, say goodbye to the people.
Well, stop today's video. Well, yeah. Leave a like, comment down below, subscribe.